Hey all, today we're looking at this Russell Hobbs digital kettle. My old kettle, after several years, has stopped working, so it was time to get a new one. So let's open this up and see how it works. Inside we get the manual, which tells us how to use the kettle. And then the kettle is inside, so let's pull that out. Okay, so it's wrapped up in paper, just like that. And we can use this to open and close the kettle. We have the base still in the bottom of the box. Here's the cable. So the kettle just sits on the base just like that. And we have several options. So let's zoom into the kettle a bit and see what we can do. So this kettle has a green tea, white tea, oolong tea, coffee, and black tea button, which is just boiling and keep warm. So if you want to boil, you'll just push this. But if you want some lower temperatures, these are your options. So let's just pour some water in and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to hit the black tea button. And now we'll wait for that to boil. Okay, so it's finished, and just like that, it does a little beep. And I guess if you wanted to, you could also hit the keep warm button. Okay, so when it's done, it beeps. Now, the keep warm function only works at lower temperatures. This is because if it kept warm at 100, it would just keep boiling. So if it was on coffee, you could do keep warm. But not for black tea, because that would keep it at 100 and, of course, boil. And that about wraps it up for this kettle. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all that, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to make myself a cup of tea.